Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Jobs Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so, we traded. They showed no weakness overnight, I guess is the best way to put it, despite the tallying of the percentage of the participating banks in the Greek deal and what portions of the law and the agreements those things trip or they don't trip. We never really saw a dip. And things tended to hover in anticipation of jobs, between 1360 and 1359. The jobs report, by most measures, if you're looking at it objectively, it was a good report. The report was good. The revisions were positive. There was an increase in the labor force. I don't really play much into the percentage of the unemployment rate. I think it's not a really relevant statistic. But as far as jobs into the market, it's a positive report, and the market is treating it that way. We traded as high as 1367 on the spike, so that's your upper area there, 1367 on the ES. We went down to test the preprint, which is 1360.75. Didn't quite make it. Traded as low as 1361.25, and we made a lower high above 65, and now we're down trading 1363 even. So we've got our parameters now for the day. Bulls, you'll see buying come in probably above 1367. You'll see selling come in below 1360.75 to 1360. The pivots today all kind of line up, kind of like rungs on a ladder from 56, 55, then 53, 51. So there's a lot of support underneath. I mean, the resistance that was established on Tuesday, the bulls blew back through between Wednesday and yesterday with authority, and that now has become, as it's been for the entire calendar year of 2012, it is now support. So let's look at support and resistance. Current trade 63 even. This is all June contract now. Everything I've given you in this webcast is June contract. These support and resistance levels are June contract. The pivots that are up on the Topstep website from me are June contract. Those of you that follow me on Twitter at Princetontrader, the numbers I'll be giving out today are June. So March, at least from my perspective, is in the past, and we moved on to June. So let's do resistance first. 1367, which is your non-farm payroll high, then 1371 quarter, 1377, 1383, 1388, 1392, and 1395. On the downside, 1358, 1356 half to 1356. There's a fib level in there, and it's your daily pivot. So 56 to 56 half. 1355 is your 20-day pivot and 20-day exponential moving average. So as you can see, things really start to bunch up once you get below 56. The 9-day pivot comes in at 1353.16, and the 3-day pivot and another key fib level that come in at 1351.92 to 1352. So from 52 to 56, lot of levels to get through. At least on a first time down, that looks like decent support for a fade trade long. Okay, below that, 1347, 1342, 1336, and 1333. So everybody have a fantastic weekend. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. Please use stops. Please be hedged. I will see everybody Monday. Trade them well.